To make a triple or treble crochet stitch, we take our yarn over our hook once, then twice, through the center of our stitch, yarn over and pull back through, and it gives us 4 loops on our hook. So now we want to take our yarn over our hook and pull through the first 2 loops. We take our yarn over our hook and pull through the second 2 loops. And then we want to take our yarn over our hook and pull through the third 2 loops. And that is a treble crochet or triple crochet. So we take yarn over once, yarn over twice, through the center of the stitch, pull our yarn through. We have 4 loops on our hook. Take yarn over through the first 2 loops, yarn over through the second 2 loops, and yarn over through the last 2 loops. And that is how you make a treble crochet or a triple crochet.